How to lock notes in iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily lock your notes on iPhone. So first thing first, just head over to your notes application, and if you have some notes which you don't like anybody to see, obviously directly from iPhone device, so what you can do is just long press on that particular note which you would like to hide, obviously, and simply click on this lock note button over here. So simply select it, and once you're inside here, you can see, now just head over to that particular note and you shall see the lock icon right at the top of your navigation bar, and simply select it, and just like that you have successfully locked your note. Now to simply view the note you need to enter your passcode, which we said it earlier. So just enter your passcode to successfully view the note, just like that, and you can always re-lock the note just like this. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.